Hello everyone and welcome to APT University. Today we're going to be discussing the new features with respect to order emails in AdvancePro 11.6. So new in 11.6 we've made some big improvements about how emails get sent from AdvancePro, and I'd like to touch on these now. First, we're going to come into the admin panel and we're going to go to site settings, and we're going to go to the email settings tab. So we did have templates available for your customer orders and your vendor orders, as well as the VPO approval limits. However, now these templates give you full control over the subject line and the message itself, or any signatures you might like to add. And the tokens have improved their functionality as well. So these are tokens. You can enter any one of the tokens listed here. For example, the PO number and the relevant purchase order number will appear wherever you put in that token. So for example, please see order attached PO number would actually give you please see order attached number 5 if you were sending order 5. Hi company name is going to give you the company name that you're dealing with. So that's a little bit on the new features in templates. Now, there is another big feature that's new in AdvancePro, and this comes when you're working to email an existing order. So we're going to go ahead and open up an order. You can also start an order of your own to follow along. And now what we can do is when we go to send this email, there's a new feature that's available where you can actually go ahead and click on where it says to or from or BCC or carbon copy as well. You're going to be able to go ahead and click on these buttons. And what these are going to allow you to do is open up a search for other emails associated with this customer instead of just pulling your default customer order. If there's multiple emails associated with this customer, they will all be listed here. If you want to copy some other customer email address, you can go ahead and click on Show All Customer Emails. That's going to show any other customer email addresses available to you. You'll also see you can copy members of your warehouse team. So here we've got Warehouse 2 has an email address. We can have that copied too. So this is going to allow you to add emails quickly to the carbon copy or the blind carbon copy aspects of an email as you're sending it out. And here you can see that we've got the PO number being pulled and the company name that we're doing business with being pulled as well. If you're curious about where these email addresses by default come from, we'll just touch on that quickly. We're going to head over to View Customers in this case. It's the exact same on a vendor. You can go ahead and click Edit on a particular customer, and you'll see the default address is going to be that primary address, and then you'll have secondary addresses and tertiary addresses available as well. These are the addresses that are going to be visible in that email selector window. For your from email address, that's actually set in admin in your site administrators, and it's specific to the user. So if I go ahead and open up my user, I can set my from email address right here. So that just touches on the new email functions within AdvancePro. Today we're going to start to wrap up our general tour of email features being added in 11.6.